Yo, what is good, everyone? JK Trades here, back with another trade recap of the day. I'll be recapping Friday, 24th July. The one trade I ended up taking, she was on MES. Yeah, I literally took a 0.63R and I got my winning day and I was off for the day. But let's go over the actual trades. What should have been done? Okay, so going into the day, looking at the 4R, what did we see? At this time, I saw this low. That was previous week's low, but it was a monthly fair value left happen. So yeah, this 4 IPG says it all. And I saw these lows, stacked up lows. So I saw trend line stacked up, boom. Where could we manipulate before delivering for a gap? Was watching that, boom. And on ES, I wanted this weekly. Okay, so that's what I wanted. Where could we manipulate for delivering the 4 hour unfilled? Do we have to though? No. I saw bearish S&T here. And we rejected new week opening gap twice here, and we fell, and we have good draws to the downside. Where could we manipulate from? We could manipulate to this unfilled 30 minute, which I didn't see. I skipped directly to the 15. So we could manipulate to this unfilled 30 minute. But my condition for but look at this. We had a bullish S&T here and bullish S&T here. So my condition is that this the leg which pushes up from this bullish S&T failed displacement. That is my entry. So this would be my catalyst. Plus this low is London low. So this would be my catalyst to London lows. And it would be the highest time frame entry would be failed displacement of this leg, because we have an S&T here, so the condition would be failed displacement of this leg. And the condition catalyst would be this 50-minute gap. Now we got this at market open. So could I enter market open like here, and my stop would probably have to be here, and my drawn liquidity would have to be all the way here. I could just enter based off of the 15-minute IPG. So we have an S&T. Where could we technically manipulate to? If you look at structure, higher, low, then consolidation. So we put in this S&T, and we also have this S&T as well. So we're in bearish order flow, and assuming that we continue to be in bearish order flow, I'm gonna assume that this leg holds, and the condition for shorts is we are rejecting this 15-minute gap. That's my condition. So conditions for longs, this 15-minute gap fails, we take this catalyst, and conditions for shorts we're rejecting from here while maintaining this. So boom, those are my conditions. We generated liquidity here. We generated liquidity here, so where could we manipulate? We wanted to manipulate to the unfilled 30. So I could have played the manipulation, but I just didn't know. I wanted us to I thought, okay, let me enter at OTE of this range because I assumed that we giant liquidity, where could we manipulate here, and this would be the last resort of shorts before we take the unfilled 4 hour. I was like, okay, fine, maybe we could manipulate all the way up to the unfilled 4 hour, get NQ stays here, we get bearish S&T, and then we distribute. But it's fine. We manipulated, and now the conditions this gap holds. I wanted to take an AK model. AK model is perfect here, especially if AK model is perfect here, especially because we are in a bearish order flow already, and we have an SMT at the high, and the condition and the catalysts for shorts have already been met, and it's directional deciding. But anyways, the next entry would be find giant liquidity. We manipulated this until 30 minutes, which is also this 15 minute. We didn't get an SMT, or I mean, yeah, we do have an SMT. But the entry trigger would be the highest time frame inverse of this leg here, and that would be this 2 minute. I'm taking that 2 minute gap and just hold for 1s1.5. This would be the trade of the day as well. What did I take? What I took was this on MES. So yes, we generated liquidity on NQ. Condition and catalysts have already been met. We came and we manipulated these highs again, and then we got a turtle soup reaction. And then the catalyst is also, if we get below this low, then we're starting the trend line. So we are with speed gonna go all the way down to these lows. So and the entry trigger would be this 1 minute IFG. So I saw this, and I saw NQ inversed it, but ES is all the way up. ES is all the way up here, so I wanted to wait for ES's entry trigger as well. It would be this 1 minute IPG. There's also volume band, so it'd be like right here. Then I entered because it is the model, right? Yes, these highs look weak. I'm like, damn, bro. So these, I'm like, okay, so we're going to. So I entered because the condition and catalyst was met on NQ, but I entered on ES because NQ is always already to the bottom of the move, and I'm assuming because ES is at the top of the move, we're gonna distribute, like fall super fucking hard. And then, but these highs look weak. I wasn't very confident, but I entered. I followed the strategy pretty much, and I closed out like right here for my, because that's all I needed for my winning day. And then it got reversed on. But the actual trade, if not an AK model, I don't think I would have taken anything after NQ would have taken the low. So I think I would have should have gone break even here. The trades of the day, if not AK model, are this 1 minute FPG right here. Stops the breaker. Target all of this. That is the trade of the day, and if not, trade of the day. All this shit is trend line. I don't want this reboosted. We generated liquidity. Where could we manipulate? 30 minute gap. Boom. Tap right there. And this is my short. But yeah, that was the one trade I ended up taking. I followed my system, followed my rules every day this week. So it's going fucking amazing. I would have lost this trade because I moved my stops to above here, because that makes sense, right? And I would have lost this trade if I was holding for longer. But if I was holding for longer, again, I never know. But I'm counting this as a 0.6 hour win because I took it. So yeah, man, that's it. Peace.